After Thomson's model, Rutherford studied the inside of atom by his celebrated scattering experiment and put the nuclear model of atom. So, according to this experiment, Rutherford take a very thin gold foil. The thickness is 10 raised to power minus 4 mm and bombarded it with positively charged alpha particles. Alpha particles, that means helium. Atomic number 2, mass number is 4. By means of fluorescent screen around the gold foil, Rutherford expected that the alpha particles would get reflected from the gold foil if the positively charged mass were evenly distributed inside the atom. But unexpectedly, most of alpha particles went straight through the foil. A small number of alpha particles get deflected from the original path through a small angle, and still smaller number of alpha particles get deflected large angle, and surprisingly, one alpha particles out of 20,000 bounce back in the direction opposite to the original path. So, according to this, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, जैसे ही रुदरफोर्ड ने सोर्स ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल से अल्फा पार्टिकल्स का बॉम्बार्डमेंट किया, किसके ऊपर, गोल्ड फॉइल के ऊपर, क्या एक्सपेक्टेड था कि मोस्ट ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल्स का क्या रिजल्ट आना चाहिए कि वो क्या होंगे, रिफ्लेक्टेड होंगे. बट क्या ऑब्जर्व हुआ कि मोस्ट ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल्स क्या हो गए, स्ट्रेट निकल गए विदाउट एनी डिस्टर्बेंस. बहुत कम या उससे कम डिफ्लेक्टेड हुए स्मॉल या लार्ज एंगल से, और 20,000 में से एक अल्फा पार्टिकल ऑलमोस्ट सेम डायरेक्शन में क्या हो गया, रिटर्न आ गया. So according to this experiment, Rutherford proposed large number of alpha particles that went straight through the foil indicate that there was no disturbance in their path. It means that there must be mainly an empty space inside the atom in the solid gold foil. The small number of particles deflected through a small or big angle have faced any disturbance in their path. It means that the positively charged and heavy part causing disturbance would be in the center of the atom. On the basis of, from this Rutherford put nuclear model for atom as follows. The nucleus at the center of the atom has the positive charge. Most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus, and negatively charged electron revolve around the nucleus in the specific orbit. So, according to the Rutherford, this is the nucleus. It has positive charge and negative charge electron revolve to the nucleus.